All right. So it is our night for us. So let's do this. Double box break of SPF pancakes. This is Facebook or on Facebook Live. Sorry. 1784. Double of SPA. 1617. Let's do this. So I know there's a big delay tonight, but what happens when we got so many breaks to do? Thanks. Cover, please. You got one, right? Yeah. Alright, so let's do this. Good luck, everybody. Box number 1. And I will do the inner random right after this one. But I'm probably gonna do 1734 tomorrow and 1771 tomorrow. Silver's Case, Carolina Hurricanes, Sebastian out. Because anyways, they're not filled. We have Florida Panthers, Colton Senior. Just a second. Okay, computer. It's gonna be live, alright. Third pack. Silver's Case, Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zebra. Next year, the authentic moment. New York Rangers, Eric Lundqvist. Spectrum for Nashville, PK Subban. Pack number 6, our first autograph. It's a Future Watch auto out of 999. Pittsburgh Penguins, Justin Jerry. Pack 7. What the hell? We have a Spectrum autograph for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Matthew Murray. Looks like we have a Pittsburgh box. Next pack. We have a sign of the time rookie out of 199. Toronto Maple Leafs. Nikita Shoshnikov. That's the third autograph. Next pack. Spectrum Future Watch Level 1 Toronto Maple Leafs Nikita Zaitsev. And we also have a pretty complete team chart, Boston Bruins. Vancouver Canucks Marcus Granlund. We have a Silver's Case for the Calgary Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. Next, authentic moment, Toronto Maple Leafs, Mitch Marner. The Rainbow Colorado Avalanche. So this is 1784. Our double box break. Silver's Case for the Flyers, Travis Konecny. Authentic moment, Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Patrick Murkosh, Colorado Avalanche. Next pack, we have a young gun, Colorado Avalanche, A.J. Greer. And last pack is box number 1. Authentic moment for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Okay, so that was our first box. Let's do box number 2. Pack 1. Started with a Spectrum for the Chicago Blackhawks, Artemi Panarin. Next, Future Watch out of 999, Vancouver Canucks, Thatcher Demko. Future rush out of 999, Buffalo Sabres, Justin Bailey. Next, we have a Great White North. It's from this year. Great White North. Ryan O'Reilly, Colorado Avalanche. Oh, Ryan O'Reilly's playing for Buffalo now, huh? What a dumbass. It's Buffalo Sabres, guys. Sorry. Ryan O'Reilly. Buffalo Sabres. Right, so we have a Young Gun exclusive 0-2 out of 100 for Montreal, Joel Hanley. And we have the authentic moment, New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. Whoa, good job, Johnny, on that Ryan O'Reilly. Next pack, Ottawa Mike Condon. Authentic moment, San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. Carter Otton, St. Louis Blues. Next pack, Silver Case for Edmonton, winning Connor McDavid. Verdict update, Columbus, Sam Gunny. Season highlight, Anaheim, Ryan Getzlaf. The young man for the Washington Capitals, Jacob Brennan. Authentic moment, Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban. Who goes to Montreal? Next pack. Brian Campbell for Chicago. Silver Case for Columbus, Zach Werenski. Authentic moment, Edmonton, Wayne Gretzky. Next pack, Silver Case for Winnipeg, Patrick Laine. And our last pack, authentic moment for Florida Panthers, Jurgen Egger. Alright, so 1788 4 is now done. I'll have to get ready for our random, so I'll be back in 15 minutes with our Interspace Break random. Thanks. Just wait for it. Looks like we've got some delay. Just look at the delays on Facebook. Can you please? We got some earlier. Do we? All right, so